I do have flashlights here too. Just let this passerby go. Hey, wow. You got flash. Alright, so we are actually on the road where the supposed what would you say? Wolf, coyote. Nah, we'll go wolf on two legs. And we're actually on the actual road right now, and we are going to try to find the exact location through the picture. I do have, and I always travel with two dash cams going constantly. One's more direct centered, and one is more to the left of the road at a different angle. And I'm in here with Chris. Hey Chris, how you doing, man? Hey. So I figured what a better time than just to get out and to do this. So that's what we're doing. This road is, I would actually see when I was looking at the map, I've been down this road in the past in some of my journeys out here, but it's been a while since I've been on this road. So I am actually, yeah, trying to see, because there is snow on the ground, and we were trying to see in the picture if that was actually snow or grass. I mean, you can see on the side here that there isn't that much snow coverage, maybe a dusting. But we're just gonna go down this well-traveled road. So far I've seen one car, which is a good thing. Almost impossible to see way out into the fields, because it is dark. I mean, we've got some light, but it is so dark. I mean, it would have to be a miracle for anything to pass in front of us. And I do have a couple spots in here, but I'm not going to use them unless I need to. And I think Chris right now is looking for the location. We see what looks like a speed limit sign. We don't know exactly where it's at. We'll do that. Okay, so we just took a tour of a long stretch of road that this supposedly happened, but I was looking for the speed limit sign, and of course everywhere else too.
It's not on this segment.
Not on this segment. So what we're going to do is we're just going to end now and see if we can find anything else. So stay tuned. Our chase is over, or our patrolling is over. It is about 11:20 p.m. Just dropped Chris off. We actually went down Townline in Elkhorn, and there's another town line that actually runs way north of the Kettle, and it was in North Prairie, went as far as we could, so it was way outside of Elkhorn. Funny thing is one of the keys that we did notice is we did not see any 40 mile an hour speed limit signs anywhere on Townline, either Townline. So right there, that makes me suspicious of I mean, the subject that everyone's looking at in question is up for either taxidermy, Photoshop. My thing is, it's not even on that road. So right there, I'm going to say, you know, that's misleading information, or somebody is trying to hoax something. Again, you know what? I'm Fox Mulder, right? I want to believe. But that's the reason why I go out there. You know, it's a work night. I'm tired. Spent a lot of time doing this, but I'm glad I did. And we'll see what comes in the coming days. I see a lot of people have commented, which is great. Appreciate it. And I'll keep everybody posted as we go. Or if you have more information on it, feel free to just keep plugging it in this way. You know what? We can all hunt the truth together, right? I'm not selfish about it. That's what we're all trying to do. Same thing. So everybody, have a good night.